Hello guys, and welcome in the second episode. In this episode we will create our Unity project and do the basic settings for the Android development. I will also show you how to install the Android SDK, JDK and Java. Just to clarify one thing, as I recently downloaded the newer version of the Unity, which is the Unity version 2017.3, I have decided to use this version as is the most recent version available on the Unity website. Okay, let's start from creating our project. I will open the Unity, press New, give our project a name. I will leave the setting for 3D and then specify the location. You can change the location by pressing these three dots. Once you're ready, press Create Project. Okay, Unity has started. Let's set our tools. Go to Edit, Preferences, and then External Tools. Under External Script Editor, I will pick Visual Studio 2017 Community Edition, which is free. Then scroll down. And under the Android, we need to set the SDK, JDK and NDK. If you have it already installed, you can browse to the location where it is. If you don't, you can follow along with me and I will go through the process of installing them. First, let's install the SDK. I will press the download button and you will be directed to the website where you can download the latest Android Studio. Just press the download. I have written a grid and download Studio for Windows. Press Save File and the downloading process has started. Okay, let's install it now. Okay, press Next. Leave everything as default. Press Next. Then I will leave this default location for the Android Studio. Press Next and install. Okay, press Next and then make sure the Start Android Studio is ticked and press Finish. The Android Studio should start. We'll have to take the SDK location from the Android Studio. Okay, the Android Studio has started. Press Configure and then SDK Manager. And right at the top you have the SDK location. Just copy it from here. And as I like to keep everything in one place, I will move this SDK from this location to the C drive. I will open my computer. I will go to the C drive and then create new folder called Android Development. I will open this folder and then I will paste the location in the address bar and go to the SDK, go one folder above and move this SDK from this location to the Android development. Okay, I have the SDK in the Android development folder now. I will then copy this path and then update it in this Android SDK location in the Android Studio. Just press the edit and then you have to just put this location here. Or you can press these three dots and then direct to the C drive, Android Development, SDK, and OK. And press Next. Okay, finish. And then the location has changed. You can press the OK. And then close this one. Okay, then go back to the Unity and we will put this location in here. Go to Browse, Android Development SDK and select folder. We have the SDK path in. Let's install now the JDK. Press the download button and it should be directed to the Oracle website. I would advise not to install the latest Java 9.01 as I run into the problem when I try to build the APK file in Unity. I will download the older version, which is Java 8. Under the JDK, press the download button, and then under the Java SE development kit, press the accept license agreement, and then I will install the 64-bit version of this Java, which is here for Windows. Just press this link and then save file. Okay, let's install it now. Okay, press next. I will leave the default folder. Press next. Okay, then next. Okay, and then close. Go back to the Unity. Press browse. And then go to the JDK, for the location where you install the Java, and select JDK 1.8.0, and then press select folder. We have the path for our JDK. We need to install the NDK. Press the download button next to the NDK, and then you straight away should see the window which pops up to download the file. Just save the file. Okay, let's open the folder and then right click on this file and then extract all, and then I will choose the location which is the C drive, Android Development, and then select folder and then press extract. Okay, my NDK has been extracted to the Android Development folder. Let's go back to the Unity now and let's update the path for the NDK. Press browse, then C drive, Android Development, and then Android NDK, and then Android NDK, and then select folder. Okay, we have everything set for the Android Development now. Let's close this window. Let's save our scene now. Right click on the asset folder, select create, and then folder. I will name the folder scenes. Then go to the menu file, save scene as, go inside the scenes folder, and then name the scene whatever you like. I will name it game scene. Game scene. Press save. And when you go inside the folder in Unity, you will see that game scene has been created. Let's try to build the APK to make sure everything is set correctly. Go to the File, Build Settings. Our current target platform is PC. We need to switch it to the Android. Select Android from the list and then press Switch Platform button. The Unity logo should move from the PC to the Android. Now let's add open scene to the build. For every single scene which we create, we need to add it to the build, otherwise the scene won't be in the final game. To be able to build the APK, we need to do a few more things. Just press the player setting button. Under the other settings, go to the package name and change the company name for the test for now, and the product name for the test product or test game. We need to change these names in order to build the APK, otherwise Unity won't let us do that. And then minimum API level, I will select 19, and then target API level, I will select automatically highest installed. Okay, and then let's press go to the previous window and press build. Select where you want to build your package. I will select the desktop and I will name it test, maybe test 1, and then press save, and then Unity should start building the APK for you. Okay, yes, our APK has been built. Let's close this window now and then save project. Okay, the project has been saved. That's pretty much it from the Unity side. We are ready to develop our game. In the next episode, we'll create our puzzles and start implementing their behavior. If you had any problem with this tutorial, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next episode.